This is a video tutorial on how to set up categories with weighting for your gradebook in Pinnacle. When you're in your gradebook, you want to choose Options at the top. Then you'll see the tab with 5 different options. Choose Categories. And it will ask you, would you like to categorize your assignments? Change that to Yes. And the next question is, would you like to weight your categories? And again, choose Yes. Now you have the chance to create new categories with weighting. So click on New Category. Enter in your description for your category. So let's say my first category is homework. You can choose a color for color coding in your gradebook. So I'll choose red. You want to put in the weight for that. So let's say homework is worth 40% of the student's grade. And you also have the option of dropping the lowest and highest scores. But if you don't want to do that, you can leave it as 0. Then click Save. Then I'll add in a second category, which will be tests. Again, I'll choose a color. So this time I want to choose a different color, and I'll choose green. And the weight, let's say it's 60%, and click Save. So before you save your categories, you want to make sure that the total weight here adds up to 100% and that you have different colors for each of your categories, and click Save. You know your categories will be saved when it says changes have been saved at the top. Down here, you also have the options of copying your categories to other gradebooks. So if you teach the same class for multiple periods, you can just do this once and copy your categories to the other periods that you would like to use these categories. Then when you go to your gradebook, you can enter in a new assignment and categorize them with the new categories you've created. So click on New, and we'll continue to create a new assignment. So here I'll enter in the description. We'll say homework assignment number 1. And under category, if you click that drop down menu, you can see that there are 2 categories that I have created. So homework number 1 will be under the homework category. Enter in your max value and your weight, and click Save. So when I go back to my gradebook grid, you can see that homework number 1 here shows up in red because that's the color I've chosen for my homework category.